Introduction. Virtualization is one of the most important technologies in modern computing. It powers cloud services, data centers, software development, and even personal computing. But what exactly is virtualization? How does it work? And what are the different types? In this lesson, we'll break it all down so you can understand how virtualization works and why it's so powerful. What is virtualization? At its core, virtualization is the process of creating a virtual version of something, whether it's hardware, storage, networks, or even an entire operating system. Instead of being tied to a single physical machine, virtualization allows multiple virtual environments to run on the same hardware. This is done using software called a hypervisor, which manages these virtual environments. Think of it like having multiple TVs connected to one cable box. Each TV can show a different channel, but they're all powered by the same source. Similarly, multiple virtual machines, VMs, can run on a single physical computer. How virtualization works. The role of the hypervisor. The hypervisor is a key component of virtualization. It is a software layer that sits between the physical hardware and the virtual machines, allowing multiple OSs to run independently on the same computer. There are two main types of hypervisors. One Type 1 hypervisor, bare metal hypervisor, runs directly on the hardware without a host operating system. Common in data centers and enterprise environments. Examples: VMware ESXi, Microsoft Hyper-V, Citrix XenServer. Two Type 2 hypervisor, hosted hypervisor, runs on top of an existing OS like Windows or Mac OS. Easier to install and use, making it ideal for personal computers. Examples: VMware Workstation, VirtualBox, Parallels. Type 1 hypervisors are used in large-scale server environments, while Type 2 hypervisors are better suited for personal use, development, and testing. Types of virtualization. Virtualization is not just about running multiple operating systems. It extends to other areas of IT as well. Let's explore the 5 major types of virtualization. 1. Server virtualization. The most common type, used in cloud computing and data centers. A single powerful server is divided into multiple virtual machines, each acting as a separate server. Benefits: cost savings, efficient resource usage, easier maintenance. Example: a single physical server running multiple web servers, database servers, and email servers simultaneously. 2. Desktop virtualization. Allows users to run multiple desktop environments from a single machine. Used in business environments where employees can access their work desktop remotely. Example: Windows Virtual Desktop, WVD, or Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops. 3. Network virtualization. Combines multiple physical network devices into a single software-defined network. Used in cloud services and large IT infrastructures. Example: software-defined networking, SDN, and virtual private networks, VPNs. 4. Storage virtualization. Combines multiple storage devices into a single, centralized system. Used in data centers and cloud storage services. Example: RAID arrays, cloud storage services like AWS S3. 5. Application virtualization. Applications run in a virtualized environment rather than on a user's local machine. Useful for running legacy applications or delivering software across multiple platforms. Example: Microsoft AppV, Citrix Virtual Apps. Benefits of virtualization. So why is virtualization such a game changer? Better resource utilization maximizes hardware usage by running multiple virtual machines on one system. Cost savings reduces the need for physical hardware, lowering maintenance and power costs. Scalability and flexibility. Easily add or remove virtual machines based on demand. Improved security. VMs are isolated from each other, reducing the risk of malware spreading. Disaster recovery. Easy to back up and restore virtual machines compared to physical machines. Whether you're an IT professional, a developer, or just someone curious about tech, virtualization is a skill worth learning. Conclusion and next steps. Now that you understand what virtualization is and the different types, you're ready to take the next step, setting up your own virtual machine. See you in the next video.